Hello, orchid enthusiasts, and welcome back to my channel. Today is an exciting day because my Cymbidium Vogel's magic orchid has decided to bless me with its second bloom since I purchased it. This is quite rare, considering that many owners of this orchid struggle to see blooms for years, with their plants focusing solely on leaf growth. It's widely known that Cymbidium orchids require a temperature differential between day and night to initiate blooming, something challenging to achieve in indoor conditions. However, fear not. Here's how I've managed to make my orchid happy. As soon as May rolls around and warm summer days begin, I take my Cymbidium outdoors. It spends the entire summer basking in the fresh air, receiving the necessary temperature fluctuations and ample sunlight. But more important is rainwater and high humidity. This is crucial for the development of flower spikes. Additionally, I have the opportunity to collect rainwater all summer and use it to water my orchids through the method of soaking in rainwater. I fertilize my Cymbidium only for half a year, from March to September. When autumn arrives and temperatures start to drop, I bring my orchid back indoors. It always finds its place in the coolest room, simulating nighttime conditions. This helps stimulate bud formation and eventual blooming. In the fall, upon bringing the Cymbidium indoors, I noticed a pest infestation of scale insects under the leaves of the orchid. I treated the orchid by drenching it with a systemic acaricide twice and cleaning its leaves with a sponge in a warm shower. And there I have it. My Cymbidium Vogel's magic is delighting me with its second bloom. I hope these tips prove helpful to you as well. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more care tips. Until next time.